Hello and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be doing a mini Monday savings challenge. I'll be using my 6-sided die and $30. Stay tuned. Alright, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, I'm Cubatis, and today I am just going to be doing these spring mini savings challenges. And I do these on Mondays, and today is Monday, April the 6th, and I am going to be doing the same thing, and I'm going to just get these funds allocated. And every time that I get done with these challenges, I get them finished at the end of the month, and they go towards my month ahead or different sinking funds. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and get this going. I like for these videos to not be too long because it's just like a Monday mini. It's like a mini say, see, here we go. The one thing on a roll. Okay. And today I just left it in the order it's in, 1 through 6. As I know sometimes I switch it around. And wow, it looks like 6 is going to get everything. Okay. All right, number 2 finally. Got something. Number 1. All right, number 4 has some money now. 4. Now, so far, the only thing that doesn't have anything is 3. Now, I used to just hit, like, do 2 bills or go in and just see how many each one was going to get. But stuff hasn't been getting anything. And when I did my last savings challenge video, I ended up having to put so much in one spot because of just the way the dice rolled that day. I know I was doing a savings challenge. It was my faith savings, and one of the things ended up with $60 in one envelope. I said, well, I guess that's just was meant to be, though. Like, see, look at this. Come on, 3. Come on, number 3. Oh, there you go. All right. I don't know if you have to call it. All right, there we go. And how is your week going? We're at the start of the week. It is very rainy here, and I guess it's going to rain all week here in Tallahassee. We hadn't gotten rain in quite a while, and they were even doing some what do you call those, wind fire advisories. So they did have those, but then now it looks like we went ahead and got some rain. Maybe that's gonna help it. It should help it anyway, because it's for the next, almost a week. It looks like I'm seeing rain on it the whole week. It's gonna be getting rain, so that'll be good. So I guess I'm trying to figure out before that. I need to see when was the last time we had gotten rain. And another thing I was looking at, my daughter had went and she had filled the car up, because you remember, like, in the summer I was talking about, well, I guess that was last year, I was talking about, like, the gas prices or whatever. Like, I had found a place where you get 25 cents off per gallon if you if you fill up and you buy a car wash. So that's what I was doing. So I had gotten my gas down to even to $2.50 a gallon, $2.35 I think even once. I was looking through my posts. But this last fill up, the gas is I was like, why is it it was like $80? What was it? It was 77 exactly. So that was with the car wash. Okay, so this challenge, this is the number 1 spot. And we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So anyway, this was last week, and I was like, wow, well, what happened for $77? Okay, so I need to mark off 6 more of these. And then I realized gas has gone up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And this is one of my challenges that goes along with this thing here. And it is available over on my Ko-Fi shop. And the gas is now, it's $4, like $4.19 or something like that. So I don't know. What are the prices right now in your area? So I am curious to know, because I thought ours was relatively here. I'm in Tallahassee, Florida. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I don't know if it's the spring break. 2, 4. I don't know if it's because of the spring breaks. That's what I attributed it to last week. I don't know what's happening with it. And I know I was reading in somebody's post, they were asking like how much was gas when you first started driving. I started driving in the 90s. You know, the gas was relatively cheap. It was like about 60 cents a gallon when I was, when I first started. That was in 1993. Because, you start driving at 16. So that's all it was for me at that time. 5, 10, 11. Oh no, that's not right. Hold on. Okay, so this was already in here. Look, I'm about to mess up. I was about to say we finished another one that fast, but it looks like we have finished one. 1, 2, 3, 4. So I don't know. What are your gas prices right now? And what were they when you first started driving? I know I do miss the days where you can go and say, give me 5 on 1, 2, 3. Okay, so that's finished. And so, give me 5 on pump 4. And you can drive, you got your good almost 10 gallons of gas. You can drive forever. Right? Okay, so I need 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 15 for this one. And this one is by Melissa Manages. 5, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. And so I'm going to pull a new challenge for it. So this is a completed one. And I need to get another challenge for this spot. All right. All right, so this is just going to go back here with the completed challenges. And I need to get some decent one. Try to get a decent one. Okay, I just don't want to have too many on it. Okay, we can do this one here by Doodle Dollars. Well, let me see if I'm working a challenge for her already. Hold on. I don't think so. All right, so let's go ahead and start this one. Okay, so now this one has $1 in it, and these are going to be worth $1 each. Okay, and so this is my new number 3. So my new number 3. All right. Okay. All right, and then let's go to this number 4 spot. It received $1, 2, 3, 4, $5. Sorry, I got so quiet. It's because I was thinking once I have to do that. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay, so this one has about 6, 7 more to be completed, and this is a part of the bundle that you get with that spring mini savings as well. And this is the number 4. I may as well put these in as I'm going. Okay, and this next challenge in the number 5 spot here, we got $1, 2, $3. And this one, it's almost finished. Teacher Mom Budgets. All right, so that's $3 more for it, and it'll probably be getting done with the next time we do this roll and save challenge. And this number 6 spot, we got $1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and $7. And this one is by Lady Lux Saves. And each heart will be worth $1. And we got 7 today. Okay, I'm gonna go out. Let's do that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. All right, so we are off to another great start here. Try to put something away, $30 away. Anytime I can complete some challenges, I feel like it's a good day. All right, until next time. Let me know what your gas prices are right now. Did they go up everywhere? I guess it did. All right, until next time, have a great day. Bye.